Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first we have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. This is search button. So click this is search button, then type. Yeah. So after that click on this title of the motherboard. Then click on support. Select operating system Windows 10, 11, 10. So which is you are using. So all the instructions process same. So Realtek audio HD, and this is size. Just click download. So first you require driver on download. After that try to install it. Okay. Chipset. Click and Intel INF and size and click to download. Then manage engine and just download it one more. This one. This is for chipset. LAN driver. So Realtek LAN driver, and this is size. Click to download. We'll start downloading. VGA, Intel VGA driver. Click to download. And all it is right now, it is downloading. So wait few seconds to complete, and after that you click on this icon, show in folder, which locations to downloading. Now you can see this is all the downloaded driver. So first select one, then extract all, and then same locations, then click on extract. First close all, extract. After that try to install, then select this one, right click, extract all. Because sometime in extract and real in raw file is not find some system, so that means you getting some issues. And last one, graphic card. So last five, this is driver and this is extracted, so this is not need, delete it. Okay, so first this driver Realtek, open it, open folder, then find out setup. So this is your setup, just right click to run as administrator. Otherwise if you're 10, so show more, and then click on administrator, run as administrator. After that click on yes. Now you can see this installations window. Now like that, audio driver. Okay, then click next. So it will complete it, you will show yes you want to restart computer, so select no, I will restart later, finish, because you have a more driver also required. Okay, come to back. Now this one updated chipset driver, open this, then you can see this is setup of chipsets, always run setup. Okay, right click, run as administrator, otherwise Windows 10, so more, and then click to run as administrator, click yes. Next, accept and click on install. Now this is install and it will complete it, and just close it, then next, back, then third, open, this is also for chipset, and run as administrator, click on yes. Oh, this is LAN driver. So it will close automatic, means this is installed. And it will take some time to install and depend about your system. So it is closed, means installed. Now second, open, double click to open, then right click to run as administrator, show more, and then run as administrator. This asking for administrator rights, so click on yes. So finish it, then back. Okay, so all driver it is installed. Then guys, all completed. After that, restart your system. Thank you.